Here at Zuri Fabrication / Hills Garage. Just want to show you all my frame braces that are actually, now that it's up on a lift. See how it's lovely scraped, and my lovely car is all nice and salted. See what I gotta do to show you guys everything. But so that's the underside of my car. So time for me to get going. So I just want to show you guys an update. All right, so yeah, my exhaust leak is fixed. For how long, I don't know. But yeah, this is a lovely, lovely weather we're having. So I had to drive the car and sacrifice all this lovely salt. It's horrible. And check this beauty out. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh man. All right, well, exhaust is fixed. I'm gonna have to splice in a video hopefully already of underneath the car, but don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and check out my other videos. It's just a quick update. The car is running. Maybe I'll throw in some video from the dash cam of me driving to or from here. It's just kind of hard with the weather and the salt on the roads and the wet ground. It's not really smart to do some crazy stuff and crazy pulls with the weather like this, but take it easy.